This is exactly how to ruin your 20s, the pitfalls to jump into to live a life of regret. If you want to make the most out of this critical decade of your life, this video is not for you. The first part is wasting time on dumb activities. Number one, if you want to ruin your 20s, spend all your time on social media. Scroll endlessly through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or whatever that's hot currently. Compare yourself to everyone's highlight reels and feel less than. Waste hours that you could have spent building something valuable. Instead of creating content, consume it passively, letting the algorithm dictate how you spend your day. Number two, another sure way to waste your 20s is by binge watching Netflix, Hulu, or any streaming services. Sure, it's fine to unwind sometime, but if you're spending most of your nights watching the latest series, you're losing precious hours. Those hours adds up. You could have used that time to learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or get ahead in your career. But who needs money? Who needs skill when you have TV, right? Number three, if your goal is to ruin your 20s, make sure you go out and party every weekend. Drink excessively, stay out late, and spend your Sundays hangover. It's a great way to drain your energy, health, and finances. The temporary thrill of a night won't build your future. Instead, it will leave you with regret and lost opportunities. Now I've cut this video into segments. The next part you need to waste your 20s is neglecting personal development. So number four is avoid learning and growing. Don't read books, don't take courses, don't invest in yourself. Stay away from anything that could improve your mind or skills. If you want to ruin your 20s, ignore the endless resources that's available to you. Forget personal development, bro. Nobody needs that. It's all about living in the moment. The fifth way is to ignore fitness and health. Your health is your wealth. But if you want to mess up your 20s, ignore this completely. Eat junk food, avoid the gym, and neglect your physical health. Don't worry about the long-term effect, obesity or diabetes or other health issues. That can wait. Right now, it's all about the pleasure of the moment. Number six is skipping financial education. To make sure you're broke by 30, avoid learning about finances. Do not budget. Don't save. And definitely don't invest. Live paycheck to paycheck. Rely on credit cards for unnecessary purchases. Avoid building an emergency fund and forget retirement. Future, you can deal with those problems. The next part is make sure you make a lot of poor relationship choices. Because for number seven, if you want to ruin your 20s, stay in toxic relationship. Whether it's a partner who doesn't support your growth, friends who drag you down, or family members who are negative influences, keep them close. Their negativity will drain your energy and motivation. It will ensure you never reach your full potential, which is perfect for ruining your 20s. Number eight, another way to ensure your 20s are wasted is by avoiding networking. Don't build relationship with people who can help you grow personally or professionally. Ignore mentors, avoid industry events, and stay within your comfort zone. This way you'll have no support system to help you when you need it the most. The next part is you need to have a lack of goals and ambition. So for number nine, you want to drift through your 20s without any clear goals or direction. Live day by day without a plan. Don't set specific, actionable goals. You'll wake up one day realizing you've wasted a decade. You're good. Because goals give you a roadmap, a sense of purpose. Without them, you're just wandering aimlessly. Number 10, let fear paralyze you. Don't take risks, don't start new ventures, and don't push your boundaries. Play it safe and stay in your comfort zone. Failure is a part of growth, but if you want to ruin your 20s, avoid it at all costs. This way, you'll never learn or grow from new experiences. Number 11, if you want to ruin your 20s, settle for mediocrity. Don't strive for excellence in anything that you do. Be content with your average performance at work, in your personal life, and in your pursuits. This ensures that you never stand out and you never get ahead and never achieve anything significant. The next part is to stay irresponsible with your finances. So for number 12, you have to spend more than you earn. Accumulate debt on things you don't need. Flashy cars, expensive clothes, and lavish vacations are great ways to look successful without actually being successful. This will keep you in the cycle of debt and financial stress. Avoid saving or investing for the future. Don't take advantage of compound interest and ignore opportunities to grow your wealth. Live for today and let tomorrow take care of itself. This will ensure you have nothing to fall back on in time of need. Number 14, to ruin your 20s financially. Buy things on impulse. Don't plan your purchases. Don't wait for sales. And definitely don't prioritize needs over wants. This will quickly deplete all your resources and will leave you in a financial turmoil. If you follow all these steps, you'll successfully ruin your 20s. You'll find yourself 30 with a mountain of regret. You'll find yourself at 30 with a mountain of regrets, missed opportunities, and a life that's far from what you envision. But here's the thing. Knowing what not to do is half the battle. Focus on being productive, investing in personal development, maintaining healthy relationships, setting ambitious goals, and being financially responsible. Your 20s are a foundation for the rest of your life. Build it wisely. Remember, stay consistent and stay disciplined.